Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the much-awaited unboxing and first looks at Samsung's newest flagship, the Galaxy S8 Plus.
Feel me like a Hellcat. Coming like a Hellcat.
As we open the box, we see the phone itself, followed by the standard assortments of accessories we have come to expect by now. A USB-C to USB-A dongle, a wall wart, USB-C charging cable, earbud replacements for different size ears, and the earbuds themselves. Its box also includes the paperwork, which you should promptly throw away, just as we did.
Like a Hellcat.
As we switch the phone on, we are greeted by the welcome screen, and we just have to set up our Wi-Fi, email and other accounts from there. Basically just select all and press next until you reach the home screen. We also did a basic camera test. This was done in ideal lighting settings, with our studio lights on. We compared it to a DSLR camera as well, as smartphones' cameras have been compared to DSLRs for a few years now. This image is from the Galaxy S8 Plus, while this is the image from a DSLR, with a 70-300 lens, at f4.8. And lastly, we look at the Geekbench score of the phone, which came out to be a 2004 on the single-threaded side, while scoring a cool 6754 on the multi-threaded benchmark. Thanks for watching the video, click like if you liked it, and subscribe for more.